Why are we lagging behind now in keeping pace with the times? We always upload profile pictures on Facebook. We update ourselves a little more. Instead of profile picture, today I will show you how to upload profile videos to Facebook. In this case, you must remember you need to use a smartphone to upload profile videos. Computer does not have this option. This option only applies to mobile. So let's start to the videos. You can see in my profile only profile pictures are there. Okay, so now go to the home option and you can see the right side and a navigation bar are there. So press the navigation bar and press the setting option. Then scroll down, go to the down side, and then you can see media and contacts. Press the media and contacts, scroll down, and then you see video start with sound on this one, and then video upload HD on this one. Okay, go to the profile again, and now press the profile pictures options, and you can see now select profile video. Okay, now press the select profile video, allow, and allows everything. They go to your gallery option, which video you want to choose. So I press this one, and you can see the video already will started and also the public, and I will give the save, press the save option, and the profile video started. Okay, so you can see my profile video already be uploaded. Like this way you can also be uploaded in your profile video in Facebook. And another thing, your video resolution minimum 200 into 200, not too much. Okay, so let's enjoy.